Com.Christopher Fonseca. Com.C.H.V. wants to say something to us.
Tell us about this today's conference that you have done.
Yeah. The conference of Goa Bank Employees Association, of All India Bank Employees Association, was held today in Margao. Throughout Goa, bank employees, our union leaders came, and we had discussions about the present ongoings in the banking industry and in our trade union. The conference was concerned about the policy of the present ruling government at the center of privatizing the public sector, of changing the labor rights of the workers. So on this, the conference had decided that they shall fight back these attacks, because labor rights are human rights and labor rights are hard-won rights of the workers. We should not allow the government to weaken or dilute them. That is number one. Number two, for India's future growth and prosperity and progress, for economic development, public sector is very, very important, particularly banks which are dealing with 180 lakh crores of people's money. They need to be in public sector. So the conference denounced the attempt of the government to privatize the banks. Third one is the government is also talking, managements are talking to give better customer service. We are committed to customer service. But to give customer service, we need adequate people. Whereas we are finding that the number of employees in the banks are coming down. Instead of recruitment, they want to go for contract employees, outsourced employees. So this conference, we have decided to oppose these policies and demand more workers, more employees in the banks. And we have also decided and resolved to strengthen our unions, because the days ahead, the government is unfriendly. Political climate is completely now not in favor of the masses. They are trying to change everything in favor of the corporates and the business people. And so we have decided to strengthen our unions by taking the cooperation of members for more active involvement in the unions. These are the things that we have discussed today, and we are very proud that the leader of the All India Trade Union Congress Goa, Com.Christopher Fonseca, also was there. With their support, we hope to go forward in the days to come.
So, any suggestions from Goa Union you have got?
One suggestion is that, say, Goa is a small state. It has to economically progress and go forward. Whereas we find that industrialization is not much. The credit deposit ratio in Goa is much less. That means the savings of the people in Goa is going outside for their development. So we need more credit deposit ratio. That means more bank loans should be given in Goa, more industry should come, more jobs should come. We are finding outsiders are coming. We are not against it. But there should be more jobs for the local people that we have discussed in this conference today.
And regarding the contract basis?
Particularly for the workers, more than their wage, their job security, job permanency is very, very important. We found in the conference that everywhere, banks and even outside, there are new recruitment, new employees, but they are all on contract basis and a lot of exploitation. So I said, union which is opposed to exploitation, we decided that there will be a bitter struggle against this attack on the job security and to contractualize the permanent job. Young people in India, they need a safe, better, secured permanent jobs. These Agnivir, Agnipath and contract jobs is not the solution. On that also, Goa Bank Employees Association has decided to join other unions in this common struggle to get better employment, safe employment for the young people, these unemployed youth in our country.
So your message for tomorrow's Labor Day?
May Day is very, very important for the workers because it is a day of international solidarity. Today, in the name of their new policies of globalization, employees are coming together, the exploiters are coming together, the capitalists are coming together, but workers are not. So we have to really embark upon machinery and mechanism to implement the call given by great Karl Marx, workers of the world unite. That is more relevant today. And so throughout India, we shall be participating in the program. Particularly, this is the centenary of May Day in India. In 1923, May Day was first observed in India. And now this is 100th year. And we find when the struggle in Chicago was for 8-hour job, today, in a rampant way, the government employees are talking in a very simple way, casual way. They want to increase the working hours to 10 hours and 12 hours. So this May Day is going to be very, very crucial, very critical, very significant. And so we want to mobilize the workers on these fundamental issues. Again, exploitation and for better living condition for the working people in India. C.H.VENKATACHALAN, General Secretary, All India Bank Employees Association, Vice President, All India Trade Union Congress.
गोवा बँक एम्प्लॉईज असोसिएशनाची कॉन्फरन्स जाली हांगा आनी हे कॉन्फरन्साक सगळे जे इश्यूज जे बँक एम्प्लॉईजांक बँक एम्प्लॉईजांचे प्रॉब्लेम्स आहा ते डिस्कस जाले आनी न्यू कमिटी इलेक्ट जाले. कॉम्रेड AM मॅक्सी पेरेरा तो जनरल सेक्रेटरी इलेक्ट जाला गोवा बँक एम्प्लॉईज असोसिएशन आनी हांव प्रेसिडेंट म्हणून इलेक्ट जाला. आनी येत्या दिसांनी जे प्रॉब्लेम्स जे बँक एम्प्लॉईज फेस करता ताका लढा दिवपाक आमी आमचे ऑर्गनायझेशन स्ट्रॉंग करपाक स्ट्रेंथन करपाचें थारायल्लें आहा.
कितें कोंकणीन सांगू? आयज गोवा बँक एम्प्लॉईज असोसिएशन GBA तांचो 19वा कॉन्फरन्स गोंयांत जालो, पणजे मडगांव रवींद्र भवन जालो. GBA is part of All India Bank Employees Association and a very important member, though the smallest organization as far as part of the AIBEA. Your conference on Comrade C.H.VENKATACHALAN, General Secretary of All India Bank Employees Association, ताणे एक परजळीत स्पीच दिली बँक कामगारांच्या प्रश्नांचेर आणि त्याच बरोबर 12th बायपार्टायट सेटलमेंट जो डिस्कशनान सद्याक आसा बँक कर्मचाऱ्यांक पगार आणि दुसरे सर्व्हिस कंडिशना बद्दल ताणे ब्रीफ आणि व्हेरी एनलायटन्ड रिपोर्ट दिलो. त्याच परी ताणे सगळ्या कामगार वर्गाची जी आयच्या आमच्या देशांत जी परिस्थिती आसा ताचेरय उजवाड घालो. येवच्या दिसांनी जेन्ना 2024 जेन्ना ह्या इलेक्शनां जातली तेन्ना ताणे कामगारांक शिटकावणी दिली. त्याच बरोबर मॅक्सी पेरेरा जो जनरल सेक्रेटरी ऑफ GBA गोवा बँक एम्प्लॉईज असोसिएशन ताणे आपल्या स्पीचींत खुबशा प्रश्नांचेर उजवाड घालो. जे कामगारांचेर जो हमलो जाता, आउटसोर्सिंग, प्रायव्हेटायझेशन आणि त्याच बरोबर डिसइन्व्हेस्टमेंट आणि त्याच बरोबर लॉंग वर्किंग आवर्स आणि लेबर कोड्स आणि कामगार कायदे जे येयल्यात जाका लागून कामगारांचेर चडांत चड दबाव पडटा आणि तांची पिळवणूक जाता हाचेर तांणी उजवाड घालो आणि प्रश्न सगळ्या कामगारांचेर दवरून आयची मिटींग जाली. त्याच बरोबर फाल्यां मे डे आसा. ह्या मे डेक आमी कामगारांक उलो मारतात. आतां वेळ येयला सगळ्या कामगारांनी जे असंघटीत आसात तांणी संघटीत जावपाचो वेळ येयला. कारण कामगारांचेर जो हमलो जाता वेगळ्या वेगळ्या तरेन हमलो जाता. एका वाटेन म्हारगाय सोंसचें पडटा, दुसऱ्या वाटेन बेकारी वाडटा, तिसऱ्या वाटेन त्याच बरोबर जे कामगार संघटना करतात ताचेर हमलो जाता. कामगारांक संघटना करपाचो अधिकार दिसान दीस तो काढून उडोवपाचो प्रयत्न चल्ला. ह्या सगळ्या प्रश्नाचेर त्याच बरोबर मिनिमम वेजेस कमीत कमी पगार जो आहा तो साप कमी दवरलेलो आहा आणि कामगारांची पिळवणूक शीम आनी मेर नासतना आयज वाडोवंक लागला. ताका लागून ह्या मे डे कामगारांचो दीस जो आंतरराष्ट्रीय कामगारांचो दीस 1890 जो कामगारांनी मानूंक लागले. कार्ल मार्क्सान सांगले कामगार असंघटित कामगार संघटित जायात. त्या नाऱ्या सकला जे कामगार संघटित जातात एकमेक आमी सगळे पणजे शहरांत आझाद मैदानाचेर जमतले, रॅली काडटले आणि आमचे वेगळे वेगळे प्रश्न जे आहा कामगारांचे ते सवे मजार दवरतले. चिरडाल्ल्या लोकां बरोबर आमी आमच्या संघटनेचो आणि त्याच बरोबर कामगारांची एकी आमी त्या दिसा सिद्ध करतले. फाल्यां आमी मेळटले. सगळ्यांक आमी मे डेची उनोनीत परबी दिता.